Hi, I'm Rosa. Thank you for joining me. I have been putting together a meal plan for our family for the last 3 months just to try to see or try to reel in what we're spending on groceries and eating out. We are a family of three, my husband, myself, and our adult son. We tend to eat out more than we should, and I want to get us on a better eating plan where we're eating more from home, healthier foods, and not as much eating out. So I've been documenting our meal plan, what we've been eating, and what we've been spending. I've also been documenting for the month of January how much we're spending on eating out, and I've been giving you those real numbers. So I have today the meal plan for week 4 of January, and let's see how closely we stick to that, what we eat, and what we spend for this month. I've already had to use whiteout on my menu plan. If you watched any of my previous menu plans, you see that we have eaten out, we've eaten at friends' houses, we've had events going on, and it's been unusual for the last month or so. We've been to other people's parties and gatherings more so than we usually do. So it's not a regular thing, it's just happened this way lately. I had to white out because I forgot that we have a party to go to on Monday. So Sunday, we're gonna have barbecue. Monday, party at a friend's house. Tuesday, baked potato night. Wednesday, hot dogs and fries because I have both of those in the freezer. Thursday, fish and mashed potatoes because I have fish in the freezer. Friday, red beans, rice, and cornbread. And Saturday, we'll probably eat out because after so many days, my family will not want to eat at home anymore. For groceries, I don't think I need anything, so I didn't write anything down. And I want to make egg salad so that we can have for lunches. Today I went to Trader Joe's to pick up a few things, and it was a total madhouse. It seems like everybody was there. Parking was horrible. So I just ran in and got a couple things. I really just went for dog treats. I picked up a few things from Trader Joe's, some chocolate cream cookies, chocolate vanilla cream cookies, some Stroop waffles. I was hungry, so I got into one. Some pita crackers, some beef and sweet potato stuffies, dog treats for the dogs, and Thai peanut satay sauce. That sounded good. These are just things I picked up because I needed some dog treats, and that's it. I spent $24.64 at Trader Joe's. I made a pit stop at Publix for a few groceries. They had a sale of these pita chips, buy two get one free, so I did. Some pretzel bread, some pretzel crisps. I made some hummus, so that's why all the pita chips and pretzel crisps. Some malanga, some boniato, and some green plantain for a soup I'm going to make. And this haul was $26.93 at Publix. Dinner tonight's gonna be simple. We're gonna have a baked potato night. I have bacon in the refrigerator, sour cream, butter, cheese, and I'm gonna bake some potatoes. Baked potato night starts with 4 potatoes that I washed, and these are gigantic. Really big potatoes. Dinner tonight is baked potatoes with cheese, butter, bacon, and Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Tonight for dinner, we're having pizza out of our freezer and out of our oven. It's the end of the week now. Let's go over how we did. Sunday barbecue, we did that. Monday, we went to a friend's for a party. Tuesday, we did do baked potatoes. We did not do the hot dogs and fries this week. We didn't do the fish and mashed potatoes. We did have some leftovers and some boxed home pizzas. I did not make the red beans and rice on Friday. We actually were invited midweek to another friend's house for dinner, and she made us a lovely dinner, and we enjoyed that. And Saturday, we did go out. I went to the grocery store a couple times, and I did make the egg salad for sandwiches, which was delicious. For the 4th week of January, for groceries, we did the Trader Joe's for $26.64 and Publix for $26.93 for a total of $51.97 on groceries. Now, where we really spend money every month is eating out, and we spent $809.70 on eating out, which included any coffees that anyone stopped for in the mornings, any lunches we had out, and any dinners that we ate out. The total we spent on both groceries and eating out for the 4th week of January was $861.27, which is pretty hefty. It was our most expensive week of the 4. So to show you in total how we did for the month of January, our groceries for the total month was $254.83. That's 4 weeks of groceries for 3 people. Eating out was $2,412.73. When we add that together, groceries and eating out for the entire month of January was $2,667.56. I'm glad I kept track of it. It seems expensive. It is, so don't judge me. I'm being honest with you here on what we're spending, but it gives me a good spot to start, and this motivates me to try to do better for the following month. So I'm going to do it again for February and see what I spend, try to get me to cook at home more, and see where we end up. Can we spend less than that $2,667.56 that we spent in January? As a point of reference, I showed you my meal plans for November and December. I spent the most on both groceries and eating out in November. I came down a little bit in December, and I am down a good bit in January. So if we can keep this ball rolling, we'll be doing good. I'm really glad I have done this for the past 4 weeks, actually for the past 3 months. It's really motivated me to try to think outside my box and cook a little bit more, and also made me think about when we're eating out, try not to eat out as much. Like I said, I'm doing it for health. I want to make sure that we're eating better and better foods, better things for us. And if it helps the budget, that's all the better. I'm going to continue this for February, and I'm going to try to post our meals more for that month. Thank you for watching and coming along with me. I hope you've enjoyed it and it's motivating you to do something better in your life too. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.